Switching tracks now to the northeast, and it's Tripura which is battling with massive floods. The flood situation in Tripura has further worsened, with the death toll now rising to 10, and over 34,000 people have been taken into shelter in 330 relief camps that have been set up in 8 districts. The Met Department has issued an orange category warning for more showers that will continue heavier in nature than usual. Do remember there was a red alert warning in place for yesterday. Now, the Northeast Frontier Railways has cancelled 10 local trains in Tripura. The state government has now asked the centre for immediate help, and more teams of the NDRF have been sent to Tripura as the state witnesses 1,200% above a normal rainfall, causing the worst floods in decades. So we have my colleague Ratnadeep joining us. Ratnadeep, no respite in sight with an orange category warning that is in place for today after that red alert warning which was in place yesterday. So showers are going to continue, and that could hamper the rescue operations.
That's right. In fact, overnight there have been heavy rainfall in parts of Tripura, including state capital Agartala. In fact, now the focus is on the state capital Agartala, as the low-lying areas in Agartala are completely inundated. Overnight, what we are picking up is that round-the-clock rescue operations have taken place by NDRF, Assam Rifles, the state forces. The state government has once again asked centre to rush in more NDRF personnel. So what we are picking up that NDRF personnel have been already dispatched from Arunachal Pradesh, from southern Assam. We are hearing that they might be airlifted from even from Guwahati. So therefore the centre now reaching out to Tripura government. Remember, the national highway that links Tripura to Assam, which is the lifeline of the state, is blocked in several places due to waterlogging, and there have been massive landslides on the railway tracks that had resulted in cancellation of 10 trains. In fact, in a way, the rail link is also disrupted. The airport also saw a lot of inundation, and somehow the air operations are still continuing. So that is the only way at this moment how the state is connected with the rest of the country. The state is facing a major calamity across the state, particularly in southern Tripura. The situation is very grim. Also, remember, all the major rivers in the state, including Howrah, Gomti, they are much above their danger level, almost closing into the highest flood levels, and that's why in decades this is perhaps the worst ever flood that the state has witnessed, with over 1,200% above normal rainfalls in the past 2 to 3 days, and that's the reason why there is so much of inundation which has taken place. The focus at this moment remains in terms of getting people out of their residences to safer places. But if you look at the topography of the state, then in the low-lying areas, you hardly have areas which are left to be not inundated, and therefore it is a challenge for the government also to find places where to keep people. Already close to 35,000 people have been rescued, and what we are picking up from government sources is that particularly in state capital Agartala, overnight there have been fresh inundation in several areas. People have to be evacuated overnight. In fact, the situation remains very grim. Here is a report that reflects the situation at ground zero in Tripura, how people are battling this worst ever floods in decades.
An ambulance forcing its way through the raging floodwaters in Tripura. The tiny northeastern state is facing its worst flash floods in decades, caused by unprecedented rain over 1,200% above normal over the past 2 days, resulting in death and destruction and widespread flooding in all 8 districts. NDRF, Assam Rifles and state forces are rescuing thousands. Over 200 teams are on the field, but more help is needed.
I have already talked to him in the morning, and the status of the state I already informed him, and I told him that please send some NDRF team as early as possible. So I heard that from Arunachal Pradesh 4 NDRF teams are coming, and another already have reached from Silchar.
The government has asked schools and colleges to remain shut till Thursday. The national highway is waterlogged, and even rail link has been hit by landslides. The South Tripura and the Gomti district are the worst hit. Even in state capital Agartala and its suburbs, there is massive inundation. Hundreds are marooned.
बहुत गंभीर है अभी पानी के यहाँ पर बहुत सा आदमी बहुत तकलीफ में है।
कुछ मिला सरकार की तरफ?
नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं, अभी तक कोई आया ही भी नहीं है, तो मिलेगा क्या?
दिक्कत है सबको, खाना वाना का भी दिक्कत है, ये सभी चीज का दिक्कत है।
कहाँ रह रहे हैं लोग?
लोग कुछ लोग तो गाड़ी में अपना घर बनाए, जो लेबर लोग हैं वो अपना गाड़ी में घर उर बनाए, और बाकी कुछ लोग जो है वो मतलब ऐसे आसपास के स्कूलों में गए।
If the rain continues as forecast, Tripura will have to brace for tougher times. In Guwahati, Ratndeep Chaudhary for NDTV.